Yes, welcome, dear viewer. My name is Simon Chidodo, and I'll be here to give you a short, brief explanation and the guide on how to import GPS points. But before going on the on the on in deep, let us understand briefly on how you can collect this field data. Before you collect a field data, you must first plan. So this process involves three stages. We have pre-field work, field work, and post-field work. In pre-field work, we're starting in schedule planning. You prepare the materials and other instruments that can help you to obtain your data, like GPS, and prepare your GPS receiver so as to get the accurate coordinate system, coordinate point, but also planning on the routes, what the routes you're going to take. After that, you're going to the field. So in the field, so you're going to practice, you're going to translate, to transform those planning and material you're going to use, and material that you have planning in pre-field work, you turn into action. So you're just going to collect your data, and you're going to set a sketch, because when you take a coordinate point, you must sketch, so as when you come to the office, you know where you start and where you end it. So you must have a sketch. After that, you go into the post field work. Here you're going to analyze that data, because data, we say, is raw informative information. So you must analyze, code it, so as to get a useful information that can be used in different management of different solving different problems in spatial geographic phenomena. So after that, I was here are some of my data. We went to Lushoto. I was in Lushoto. There I was taking some of data that I like to show you how you can import it. So I just take the same procedure that I have been explaining to you. So let us start the ArcMap. So the ArcMap will start. Sorry, my computer is very slow, so I'll pause it. So after opening the ArcMap, let us open the blank project. So first of all, you need to import or add data. So you're going to add toolbar for adding data, or you can go to the catalog like this one. Go to the catalog and you go to the special place where you put your data like this. So I have a ground truth. This one says CSV. Then I just drag it and paste there. So there, as you can see, there is no or any point that display on this display window. So we must first assign, because here the application does not know on what point should be assigned. Is it in XY or Z or in N? So you must specify what kind of data. Is it tables, or is it a root events, or is it X or Y data? So because we just taking the coordinate position, I means X coordinate position, it means altitude, longitude, and elevation. So it means we are dealing with X and Y. Okay, but also in root events there is another tutorial that will be format for that. But first, let us assign. We have eastings for X and northings for Y and elevations for Z. And this is just like easting, northing, and Z, like this way. So here we have Y, X, C, and Z. So here we have northing, we have easting and elevation. So when you want to find the steep, example in physics, we say we want to find the height. We're going to find the value of here, and we can find the acceleration points that goes on here. Okay, that is, but the main idea, the overall idea is this one. Okay, so the elevation, and we have unknown coordinate system. So in project system, let us view it in UATM system. Africa, Tanzania, we are in zone 37, but also zone 36. It depends where you are. For example, in Kigoma, we always taking Kigoma. Around Kigoma, we have zone 36. So there. So here we assign, and then we click OK. Tables specify ID objective. This is not the case. We're going to specify later. So there, and here are the point. So remember that I told you about a sketch. The importance of sketch is this one. So example here, you cannot understand which the point is first, which point is first, because you don't know what which one of these is the true, is the one that we can take it first. Also, we have example. Just want to make a lot of so we have these points. So here we displaying these points, and when we take the identity tool, should open. We have ID number 4, easting, field 3 doesn't have elevation. We have wetland, A to B load, and shape is point Z. So here you can starting adding values by making different information, even description. Example, in here we can add some description so as to get a well information that can be used. So how or it can be used in the database. So that's how. So in later tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can starting creating the shapefiles after importing your GPS coordinates. So how you can join them and creating the shapefile that represent those points and lines or polygons for spatial data information within the Earth or the spatial ground or in the Earth's surface. So thank you. Remember to subscribe in my channel, and if there is any comment, you can comment below so as I can take it as a challenge, but also even a question, even idea, and even thing that make you to not understand in this tutorial. I'll be here. Thank you very much.